Friends, hope you are well. So today in this video I will show you how to solve Newton's laws of motion when pseudo force is included. Okay, so you need to add a pseudo force when the system on which the body is resting is accelerating. Okay, we'll show you. So let us consider this system. Here is a pulley, here is a block, say M1. From here another pulley is hanging, and here is say M2, here is say M3. Okay, so this pulley, so M2 and M3 is resting on this pulley, and this pulley is accelerating. So M2 and M3 are resting on an accelerating system. So when we will consider M2 and M3's free body diagram, we need to add a pseudo force. But in M1 we don't need to add a pseudo force because it is resting on this pulley and this pulley is fixed. Okay, so you understood? When we need to add a pseudo force, we need to add a pseudo force when a mass on which it is resting is accelerating. Okay, so let us draw the free body diagram of M1. This is simple M1G, and this is say T1. So this is T1. Okay, and this is T2. And I said already in the previous video that tension remains same. Okay, so T1 mg, and this is say going upward with acceleration a1. Then this pulley has acceleration a1, but these masses are have different accelerations. Say this is a2, say this is a3. Okay, so we have T1 minus mg is equals to M1G is equals to M1 A1. Okay, now this pulley is massless, so we get, so if we draw the free body diagram of this pulley, there is T1, here is T2, here is T2, so we get T1 minus 2 T2 is equal to 0 into acceleration. Because massless pulley, it is assumption, so mass is 0, imply T1 equal to 2 T2. So we get another equation. Okay, now drawing the free body diagram of M2. Now here is M2G, here is T2, and see this pulley is going downward, so pseudo force is upward. Okay, so you understood the direction of pseudo force. The direction of pseudo force is opposite to the direction of system, and the value of the pseudo force is mass of the considered body into acceleration of the system, not acceleration of the body, acceleration of the system, that is on which it is resting. That is, here it is pulley, so pulley's acceleration is a1, because this is a1, this is a1. Okay, so this is M2 a1. Fine. So acceleration is a2 upward, imply we have T2 plus M2 a1 minus M2G is equals to M2 A2. Fine, we got another equation 3. Now we are drawing the free body diagram of M3. This is M3G, this is T2 and T2, and this is M3A1. This is M31 and acceleration is downward A3. So we get M3G minus T2 minus M3A1 is equals to M3H. So we got 4 equations. Okay, and we have okay. Now we need to solve the equations. Okay. Okay, so we put here 2T2 equal to T1 by 2. Okay, so we put here T1 equal to 2T2. So from 1 we get 2T2 minus M1G is equals to M1A1, and from this we get T2 minus T2 plus M2A1 minus M2G is equals to M2A2 from 2 from 3, 1 and 3. So now we can eliminate T2 by multiplying by 2. Okay, so if we subtract, then we will get this. Okay, so this is A2 and this should be also A2. I'm sorry, so this should be also A2. So see, we have 4 unknowns: A1, A2, T1, T2. A1, A2, T1, T2, and we have 4 equations, so we can solve. Okay, so you can solve the equation and get the A1, A2 and etc. Okay, fine. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.